Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are taking up a new topic and which is very important if we are writing sentences from the words that we have learned. To make sentences, it is very important that we know punctuations. Now, when we talk of punctuations, what we should realize is where we should stress on capital letters. Wherever we please, we should not insert a capital letter. We should know what are the points where capital letters are stressed. Whenever we start a sentence, the starting letter should be a capital letter. Similarly, when I write my name, my name should have a capital letter in the beginning. Same as when I address Hyderabad or Uppal, the starting letter should be a capital letter. Next is when we talk of days of the week or months in a year. When I talk of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the first letter M, T, W will be in capital letters, just as in months, January, J will be a capital letter, May, M will be a capital letter. There is one more important aspect we will cover today in punctuation, and that is how do I end a sentence. To end a sentence, either I put a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. This, we end a sentence with a full stop. When we question, we use a question mark. When we are happy or sad, we are expressing something. Oh, alas, hooray! We are using an exclamation mark. Is it clear, children? So now let's get to the writing part of it. Just have a look at this, children. In punctuation, suppose my name is Ravi. I will not write Ravi like this. I have to write R using capital letter. As R is a capital letter, small letters are not included in that. So, I continue writing like this. R will be a capital letter. Suppose this, let us go to another person's name. Her name is, for example, a child's name is P. Lata. A child's name is P. Lata. So this is a wrong way of writing it. P is a separate one. So let us write it first in a capital letter. Then L happens. Then there's a dot because this is a surname. Come to the next one. It is a capital letter. L should be capital. Followed by the small letters. While writing the name, this is the pattern we need to follow. Same as, suppose your birthday is in August. I will not write August like this. When I say August, I am going to write the first starting letter capital followed by the running handwriting small letters. This is how I represent a month. Coming to a week, suppose a week. Let's go to a week. We say today is Thursday. Thursday is not written in this pattern. Look at this T. The T should be capital. The starting letter should be a capital letter even when it is concerned with the days of a week. can you make out this, children? We are using capital letters, and wherever capital letters are mentioned, they are not attached to the small letter. They're closer to it. They are rather closer to it. Now our school is in Uppal. I will not write Uppal like this. How should I write it? I will write the first letter U capital and followed by the other letters in a small ones. I hope my concept is clear, children, till here. Thank you.